I'ma take them to the faraway land. Don't ask where we going, we'll be back before you know it. I'ma take them to the faraway land. Don't ask where we going, we'll be back before you know it.
Welcome to my channel. This is going to be one of my very first YouTube videos. I'm a little bit nervous, but let's see how this goes. So today, I'm going to be showing you how I use these amazing DevaCurl hair products on my first day hair. Now, for my first day hair, I usually wash my hair, I condition it, I put a little bit of gel in it, you know, make sure my curls are nice and defined. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Since I just got out of the shower, I'm going to be starting off with freshly washed hair, and in the shower I used these products. I started off with a pre-cleanse called Wash Day Wonder, which is a detangler. Then I used the No-Poo conditioning cleanser. Last but not least, I used the original daily cream conditioner. These three hair products leave my hair clean and conditioned. To make sure that my hair stays wet, I'm going to be spritzing it with a little bit of water. This helps my hair absorb the products easier. The next hair product I'm going to use is the leave-in Decadence. This is the ultra moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Now this conditioner has a lot of slip and it helps me detangle my hair faster. Now for some reason, I don't know why, but I'm struggling to open this bottle and it's making me upset. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and pump it. Nope, still not working. So I'm going to just need 1 second, okay? And I'll be right back. No, okay, I'm back. Anyways, so I'm going to start pumping this conditioner into my hands. As you can see, I'm very cheesy for some reason. I'm just going to take that conditioner and I'm going to rake it through my hair and make sure that each hair strand gets a little bit of that conditioner.
Life is ordered through a catalog, so I'm going through it. Wishing that I had it all. Called the genie in the lamp, ain't talking by the light. He said if I rub it right, I could get my shit tonight. So I met up with him. I was talking and he just listened. Told them what I envisioned.
Now the next product I'm going to use is this light defining gel. This gel is very light, meaning it doesn't leave my hair crunchy. Girl, if you don't take that out, ugh. Anyways, so of course I'm going to use this gel and I'm going to pour in my hand, and then once again I'm going to rake the product through my hair. Now if you're wondering why I keep looking to the side and talking and laughing, it's because my mom is actually recording this video. When I made this video I didn't have a tripod, so I apologize for that, but yeah, don't think I'm crazy.
Talking and he just listened. Told them what I envisioned and planned to bring to fruition. A stadium packed with people singing what I had written. And he asked if what I'm wishing was my final decision. I don't want to force people to enjoy what I'm a part of ever since a little.
So to help my gel define my curls, I'm just going to be scrunching my hair a little bit on the sides and, you know, brushing it over the top of my head so it's not frizzy. And then of course I gotta get the edges.
Didn't happen for about a year. Called them up again, but
so I'm just going to show you what the back of my hair looks like so far with the leave-in conditioner and the gel. These products are amazing and I love them. But let's get on to the next thing, okay? Next I'm going to use these DevaClips. These help my hair become more defined in the front because that's where it tends to get frizzy, so that's where I'm going to use them. So I'm going to start off by taking the pieces of my hair in the front and I'm just going to roll it up with my finger, and then I'm going to place it on top of my head and make sure that it's down and flat, and then I'm going to take the clip and I'm just going to clip that swirl. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. As you can see, my curls are slowly drying up, so this is what it looks like so far. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep pinning until I like it or until I think I need to stop. So since I have my clips in my hair and my hair is taking forever to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my hair dryer. This is the DevaCurl hair dryer, and with it comes a diffuser. Now, what I like about this hair dryer is that it has 3 settings. It has a cool setting, then a medium setting, and then a very hot setting. Since I am done with the clips, I'm going to go ahead and try and fit it back in the little tube bottle thing, but I can't fit the cap on, so it's okay. So I'm just going to grab my diffuser, and with my diffuser comes this handy dandy claw. Now this claw is going to help make sure that my curls are able to be scrunched up and defined without making it frizzy. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it on the coolest setting. So my hair usually takes about like 3 hours to dry fully, which is why I like using this hair dryer. It's very fast, and not only is it fast, I'm able to choose what settings I like. And since I don't like using heat, I tend to use the cool setting the most. But let's say I want to straighten my hair, I could also use the hair dryer for that too. When I diffuse my hair, I like to make sure that I get all sides, and the reason why I'm constantly flipping my hair from side to side is because I don't want my hair to stay stuck in the same position. This is not easy, trust me. My hand is like so tired right now. Oh my, but let's keep going. After all that diffusing, I'm pretty sure I'm done now, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit in front of my face, get a little bit more volume at the top, and after that, that's it. I'm done. Thank God, because my hand was tweaking, man. Oh, shoot. So this is the result of what my hair looks like. As you can see, it's very bouncy and has a lot of volume, and it's just so fluffy and soft. Oh my gosh, I love my curls. Whoa, get a girl, that's right. Well, you know, since this is a hair video, I had to hit you with that slow motion. But you can see that my hair is very defined. There is no frizz. It's very bouncy. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep using these DevaCurl hair products because they doing me justice right now. Alright, so I'm not going to lie. I did forget that I had these clips in my hair. But let's see the outcome of these curls right here. That's very cute. Very defined. See that little boing boing. Anyways, let's go to the next side. Okay, I don't know what that was, but it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really love doing this. If you have any recommendations or anything you would like to see from my YouTube channel, please comment down below and I will definitely take it in consideration. Thank you so much.